Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out. That's what they all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at it, thinking nothing different.
Why is it not working?
I don't really care what they all say. It's easier said than done. That guy problems with everyone, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me.
Good morning, you guys. Hey, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we are doing a productive day in my life. Today has to be the most productive day I've ever had because I have so much I need to do. So it's currently 10:23 a.m. I guess it's kind of late to start the day. I don't know. Woke up, went to my personal training session. I ran my mile. Not my best mile, but like whatever. I got kind of ready. Not really. Like I'm trying to decide if I got ready or if I changed out of sweaty clothes and brushed my hair. That's about as ready as I get nowadays. I wrote in my affirmation journal, which is like, if you guys follow me on Instagram, I post about it sometimes, but it's like the best thing ever. I always make sure to take some time out of my day to write in it. It's just like really good for my mental health. It just starts my day off every day in a good way, so I always try to carve out time for it. It only takes like less than 10 minutes. To-do list, low-key. Tell me this just does not look like aesthetically pleasing. Like, I'm just really proud of it. This is the week of Thanksgiving, so I need to get everything done before like Tuesday pretty much. So productive day. If you guys are not subscribed, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, turn your post notifications on, join the family. We love you here. We do lots of fun videos. Trying to decide what I want to do first. Oh, setting the it's a good word. Setting the Christmas vibes. Nothing wants to work for me today. Not my car, not my lighter. Beautiful. The Christmas vibes are immaculate. So is this camera being out of focus. Going into lockdown browser. This quiz every week of my life this semester has tormented me, traumatized me. I mean this when I say it. It is the worst quiz. We all have the one where we're just like, yeah, now we're gonna take this quiz again. I was so excited. I was like, this is the last time I have to take. No, I have another one next week. Next week we're throwing a party. Not really because of COVID, but like in here we're throwing a party to celebrate. The quiz is over. It's on lockdown, so I can't record myself doing it, but I can record myself setting up. Wait, where is this? I can't. Setting up lockdown. Maybe this is the last one. I don't want to get my hopes up. I just had a pee, but now I'm back. If you guys don't know what lockdown browser is, consider yourself lucky. It basically locks down your computer so you can't go on any other websites, and it also records you and listens to you, so like you can't cheat. Not that I was going to, because I'm not. Okay, webcam check. You have to record a 5-second video view. You can see me right there. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off before they like think I'm cheating or something. I'm not.
Well, now I gotta keep it. Walking downtown and I'm okay. Eyes on me, I don't know what to do, so I smile and I wave. Alright. Everyone's looking like they know what they're doing. Everyone's looking like they know what I'm pursuing. I'm trying not to give them the time of day. It's easier said than done. That guy, problems with everyone, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me. Well, now I gotta keep it.
On to my second lunch of the day. Angel hair pasta, butter, Parmesan cheese, delicious, classic. My first lunch of the day, I had like a white fish and Brussels sprouts in the air fryer. It was really good, but it did not fill me up. So I was like, let's get some carbs going because I'm starving. I also didn't grocery shop this week because Thanksgiving. We don't have that much to choose from. I don't know if I said it. I was working on an essay before. Still working on it. It's 1:16. Taking me a lot longer than I expected, but I'm almost done. The issue is she wants it to be really pretty, which takes a lot of time to make it really pretty, but we'll get there. While I eat, I'm gonna keep responding to the comments on my newest video. Multitasking. Almost 3 o'clock, 2:58. I just got off a Zoom call with my professor. We were on it for about 30 minutes. I have a computer system thing that we needed to do for homework that just like was not working. So we tested a bunch of things out to make it work. Finally worked. Right there against that wall, kitchen. Right there against that wall, living room. So basically my room is like touching the most like center points of our apartment, and my roommates were like talking really loud, like they were like screaming talking, and the professor could definitely hear it, and it was so awkward. But he's really nice and helped me, so now I need to do this assignment. I was low-key hoping that it wouldn't work, so he would just like excuse me from the assignment, but that didn't happen. So now I actually have to do it. It's totally fine. Here's the assignment if you guys are curious. SPSS, kind of low-key scary.
You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me. Now I gotta keep it.
I have never been happier in my whole life to be done with an assignment. Oh my gosh, wait, where's PDF? So happy. I've been working on this essay all day and we're done. 3:33 p.m. We're done. Love out. Today's sunset, kinda lame, not gonna lie. Yesterday's was so pretty, nothing can compare like that, but it's not even close to comparing. If you guys want to see it, there's a highlight on my Instagram that says sunset. This view has the prettiest sunsets. Like today's is lame. I'm about to go get some food. Starving. It's 5:52. I seriously feel like today my stomach is just like a bottomless pit. Like nothing will like satisfy my hunger. Like I said, I also have no food here. I got some bad news, so I'm kind of just in like a really upset mood right now, so I'm going to end the vlog here. I have a meeting at like 9 o'clock or something like that, so I can work on an assignment with a friend. But sorry, I'm playing with my blinds thing. I shouldn't be doing that. Oh no, now it's like swinging. But yeah, so I'm going to end the vlog here. Sorry about that. It has to be done. If you guys are not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.